Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Lab with Alakesh Thakuria. Today we will learn how to install Azure CLI on Ubuntu using single command. First, we need to open our terminal on our Ubuntu. So this is my terminal, and then we can type our one command through which we can install the Azure CLI. Okay, so first let me type the command, which is curl sl https://aka.ms/install Azure CLI deb, and then pipe sudo bash. Now, so this is the one command, okay, and this is the easiest way to install the Azure CLI on Ubuntu. Okay, now the script is maintained by the Azure CLI team. Okay, and this script is downloaded via the curl. Okay, so through this we will download and pipe it through our bash. Okay, let's hit enter, then put the password. It's still downloading. Great. Now we can check. So let me clear this, and then we can verify the installations with the command az version. So as you can see, this is our CLI version. Okay, so that's how we can install the Azure CLI on our Ubuntu with a single command. Thank you.